Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Wynwood Road and we're going to be driving towards the airport, so Norman Manley International Airport. So this is Wynwood Road, and Wynwood Road takes you from the central Kingston area to Sir Florizel Glaspole Highway or Boulevard, and that will take you to Harbourview, and then from Harbourview you go on to the Palisades Strip, and that takes you into the airport. So this is the Wynwood Road part of the journey. Okay, on the left is the Vauxhall High School. And on the right we're passing the Bellevue Hospital. We are taking that left, we'll go to Camperdown High School. And on the right, that's still the compound for the Bellevue Hospital. Okay, this is the intersection with Mountain View Avenue. If we turn left, we take Mountain View Avenue, and that will take us back to Old Hope Road, or take us up by the stadium. Okay, so this is Windward Road. We're still on Windward Road, and straight ahead is a Jamaica Private Power Company. As the name suggests, it's a power company that's privately owned, and they sell electricity to the JPS grid. On the left, okay, we're now on Sir Florizel Glass Bowl Highway or Boulevard. On the left is the Jamaica Flour Mills, and if you look on the right over by the harbor, you can see a pier or a port. Yeah, pier, that's where you can see this metal thing going across the road. So the ships would just come up and dock, and the goods would go across this metal thing you see here onto the ship. So basically they have their own pier. And straight ahead is the Jamaica Cement Company, and they also have their own pier. Okay, straight ahead is the cement company. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. So straight ahead is a cement company facility. This is where they manufacture the cement.